tips for roll up. Let's start by rolling down. That's my hot tip. So to roll down, gravity is your friend. Gravity is helping you, and you're just controlling the descent. And we will see if this band will make it. All right, so I've got the band, and then as I come up, ideally I don't pull too much if I don't need to on the band. I let the band help me. If I need to pull a little bit, I can. Either way, that tension is really helping me. So although this is a green band, it's short because it broke, so it's actually helping me quite a bit. Don't break your band. Okay, so you can use a band. The other thing is, you might notice I have a little prop here. It's a rolled up hand towel. Depending on the shape of your body and flexibility of your low back, you might want a prop. We're gonna roll down. You can have your legs together. And I have that where the curve in my back is. As I come up, I really want you to exhale at that hardest spot. And it's the hardest spot for everyone, right? So it's right around here. Yeah. You could hold on, you could have your band, you could hold on to the backs of your legs. I want you to blow the air out to get through that sticky spot. I think it's easier to move the spine when you are not holding, right? When you're allowing that to be a little bit more dynamic. So rolling down, same kind of thing. Like the hard part is coming, you could do that. We reach over if we want, or we don't. And that's a good prop. Something in the curve as well as the band.